Hi everyone, this is Vijayasaran, and in today's tutorial we will learn how simple it is to bridge to Tron network using RocketX app. Head over to the RocketX website www.rocketx.exchange. After that, click on Launch App button. After launching the app, you will see a clean, intuitive, single interface where you can begin your bridging process. Choose the source network on which you currently hold your assets. For example, I hold USDT token on BNB network. So for this video, I will take that as example. But you can do bridge in similar way for the other assets that you are holding on the other network. So I will choose BNB network and USDT token. There you go. And then I will choose the destination network since we are bridging to Tron. So our network will be Tron and our assets will be USDT. Alright, there you go. Now here you will see the connect wallet option. Click on connect wallet, search for your network and then find your wallet. Now let's say for some reason your wallet is not listed here, or you want to try a more faster, secure and an anonymous way to transfer your assets, then go for try walletless option. Next, you need to enter how much assets you want to send. For my case, it will be 30 USDT. Next, enter the Tron network address where you want to receive your assets. For my case, it will be USDT on Tron, so I will copy this address and paste it here and save it. Now here is a tip. If you are bridging on the Tron network for the first time, you must select TRX as the asset since it's needed to cover the gas fees on the Tron network. Now from here, you can always optimize for cheaper or faster quotes as per your need. So let's select simple swap for this tutorial and then click on bridge. After that, a pop-up will appear for validating transactions. Now you need to send your tokens to our exchange partner address, and that address can be copied from here. Then I will go to my wallet, select USDT on BNB chain, click on send, enter our exchange partner address and enter the amount 30 which I will be sending, and then preview it. You can always check the network fees and then confirm it. Once you send the tokens to this address, the awaiting token status will change to funds received and it will start processing. If the status doesn't change immediately, there is no need to panic. It depends upon the blockchain and it will change to funds received soon. You can now close this window and perform other swaps. Meanwhile, behind the scenes, we will take care of everything and settle the tokens in the recipient address you gave to us. You can always check these transactions via history menu, and if you would have stayed on that screen for longer, this is how it will appear after the bridge is executed successfully. If somehow you face any trouble, you need not worry. You can always raise a ticket with your transaction ID that is given here by going on our contact support option, and our team will be happy and prompt to assist you. Alright? Congratulations! You have learned how to bridge to Tron network with RocketX. Simple it was, wasn't it? Similarly, you can bridge your assets on other chain to Tron network by following the steps in this video. Happy bridging! See you in the next video.